Click on the link below to get price. The Commercial Embroidery Machine for clothing and bedding offers an intriguing option for those interested in the art and craft of embroidery. This automatic, computerized machine boasts a significant number of built-in designs, specifically 75, which caters to a variety of creative projects. Its design appeals to both beginners and seasoned embroiderers, providing features aimed at enhancing the user experience. At first glance, the machine presents a sturdy and well-constructed frame, indicative of the durability expected in commercial-grade embroidery equipment. The sizable LCD display showcases a user-friendly interface, enabling individuals to easily navigate through its extensive features. This element is particularly noteworthy, as it allows users to visualize their design choices and adjustments with clarity, making the process more intuitive. One of the standout features of this machine is its multitude of built-in designs. With 75 preloaded embroidery patterns, users can instantly access a diverse range of motifs suitable for clothing, bedding, and other fabric items. This variety fosters creativity, allowing even novice users to embark on projects without the need to search elsewhere for designs. Additionally, the machine supports customization, enabling users to modify existing patterns or create their own from scratch. The automatic functionality of this embroidery machine enhances efficiency, particularly in a commercial setting. Its notable speed means that multiple pieces can be completed in a relatively short time. This feature is advantageous for businesses or hobbyists looking to produce items in bulk, as it streamlines the embroidery process, saving both time and effort. In terms of usability, the machine includes various stitch options, which can be adjusted easily via the LCD screen. This flexibility allows users to tackle projects of different complexity levels, catering to both simple and intricate designs. Furthermore, the machine's overall weight and size are manageable, making it suitable for workshops, craft rooms, or even home use. In summary, the Commercial Embroidery Machine for clothing and bedding stands out with its robust set of features and user-friendly design. With 75 built-in patterns and efficient automatic functionality, it serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to explore or expand their embroidery capabilities. Its versatility makes it an appealing choice for both personal projects and small business endeavors, providing a solid foundation for creative expression in fabric arts.